Hold on, papi. Open it up.
He did. That's the first thing he found. Open the box, babe.
Papi, open it up. Open up the box. Nikki, baby, mira. Grandma and Titi sent you some stuff. Open the box. Baby, don't worry about that. Nikki. Nikki. Oh, thank you for being so courteous. Baby, look. Mira, mira. What's this? What's this? Look. Look. Pull that out. Pull that out. Careful. Pull that out. Just pull that back. Pull that out. Pull this out. What's that? What's that? Oh!
He said pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin, puppy.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is full of. There's candy in here, puppy. Mira. Mira. Oh, look what Titi and Grandma sent you, babe. Oh, careful. Let's see what else. Let's see what else Titi and Grandma sent you.
Okay.
Pull it out, pull it out. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Oh!
Would you believe me if I told you that the... Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, look at that.
But you have to take the bag out. He doesn't know what he's holding.